is M492 leading out. There's the lead power. All CSX. Getting ready to get up out of here. I didn't think I was gonna catch this train, and I'm catching it anyway. I was just pulling up back to this location. This train was coming on out. Pesky bugs always flying around. Looks like a fairly short 492 today. Got some corn syrup here. About to stop again. Not cool. Looks like M492 maybe rolling out now. This is part 2 of M492 here. I think they were putting Freddy on the end of the train. They should put this train to the next crossing, which is Williamson Road crossing at Glendale down there, and should stop the train from there. What I do believe, there are like 4 engines on the head of this train, and these wood chip hoppers here are empty, I believe. Boy, they had a green signal and had a signal for this train to last longest, and it took them about an hour to get all of these cars here, unless they didn't have them all lined up. Four engines on the M400 here. That's what that train is. Looks like they're parking those engines off on the siding there. I'm gonna go take care of what I gotta go take care of and try to get back out here to that. Got some rails. I don't know if they're parking the engines off on the siding necessarily, but they're going back in the yard with them. They may have stopped. This train should be getting ready to make a stop here. Symbol on that train is the CSX M492. The M492 starts off in Wheats Cross, Georgia, heads north to Charlotte, North Carolina, where it terminates. Actually, it's blowing a horn already, so it might be going down straight to Mars Bluff to pick up the conductor.